Hey guys, Cameron here from Cameron's Transport Channel. Welcome to another video. Today we're on the 5 towards South Shields and we've got in the Tyne tunnel, as you can probably tell, and we're on go northeast 5257 on the 5 to South Shields, and we're in the Tyne tunnel. We are heading to Jarrow, Tyne tunnel. Got a rather weird flick lights at the front. This isn't even at night time and it's dark. This one's one of the repainted ones. It's a former clipper. There's 5338 we're gonna get after this.
Yeah, we're gonna get like we're hoping 3 former clippers.
5338. It's either gonna be the one 3 minutes after this at Jarrow or the one 23 minutes after. Either way, I'm waiting. I'd wait 23 minutes for Sataro G. We're about to come out of the tunnel now. When you see the light at the end of the tunnel, the light at the end of the tunnel is approaching us. This is the light at the end of the tunnel. Anyway guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. Goodbye.